Today we're going to be looking at how you rotate a part inside of SOLIDWORks. You can do that in a couple different contexts, but the first we're going to look at is within the context of designing a part. I'm going to create a extrude boss to start our part. Now, if I want to rotate this inside of the part modeling environment, the move and or copy bodies command, which can be found here under insert, features, move/copy. Under here, we can move our body around, but we're interested in the rotation aspect of this. Now you can rotate around an axis by a certain amount. You can specify an angular value, or we can simply use the triad here in the middle of the interface. I'll choose to use that right now. All right, as you can see, we've rotated the part. The next way you might want to rotate a part is within an assembly to align it for mating. Here I've inserted our part into an assembly. I'll go ahead and insert another copy of it just to give us some reference. In order to move a part inside of an assembly, we can do this with the move with triad command. You can find by right-clicking the part and clicking the move with triad button. This allows us to rotate the part freely, up and down, side to side. And that is how you rotate a part inside of SOLIDWORks. Thank you very much.